Yes, you mentioned thermocouples or thermal measurement devices. How does a higher resolution camera do a better job at inspecting inside of a furnace than just a couple of thermocouples on a tube?
So this camera has, just because the resolution is so much better, you're able to see at a greater distance and accurate temperatures at a greater distance. This is by far with the software highly accurate. You're not guessing it. With the flame filter in there that's in there now, the absorption rate is much better. You don't see the wavy patterns of the flames in there or the waviness on the tubes and actually on the backside.
So you mentioned resolution. Do you have an example of a time where using this new 609 camera with a higher resolution was able to see something you couldn't see before, and maybe even how that helped the client?
Just recently, I was looking at a furnace. It was a cabin furnace, and it was missing one of the tube supports. And we couldn't see that before because of the flame pattern, but the better resolution was able to give them a direct, definitive area where that was located. It also sees air gaps from the refractory much easier. Just the quality of the imagery is definitely noticeable.
And with a higher resolution camera, does it help affect how far you can see in a furnace or how far you can inspect using the camera?
Normally with the 309 or its predecessor before, you could get, very clear images probably 40 foot back. With this camera right here, even on a side-by-side comparison, we're getting close to 70 feet with accuracy. It's just a much clearer image on farther away points.